लोग कहते हैं कि प्यार करने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती, बट टीम स्किल टाइटन सेज एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती. You can start your business at any age. All you need is passion, vision and a skill. So आज हम आए हैं लोगों से, पेरेंट्स से जानने that what do they have to think about this and what's their opinion. And don't forget to watch the video till the end because we're gonna do a challenge with the kids. So let's get started. My first question to you would be, do you think there has to be a particular age where you would start earning from, or there's no age foundation for that?
No, there can't be an age foundation. So, earning is actually a byproduct of your capabilities, and you can have like 12-year-olds who are very capable, who are maybe more capable than 25-year-olds, and they can earn equally well.
I guess nowadays kids start earning from 16 or 17 because they have lots of ideas about startup. Most of them start earning through influencer. They become influencer at very young age. They start earning through brand collaborations and all. So I guess these days kids don't have any restrictions. They start earning from whenever they think that now I should become independent.
Well said, well said. Do you think our education system provides ample focus on skill as much as they put on education?
No, I don't think so.
I think we are transitioning from a more bookish knowledge base to skill based. But given our population, that's going to be kind of a hurdle. But let's see how it goes.
Okay. Do you have a kid, ma'am?
Yes, I have.
तो आप उसकी क्रिएटिविटी और स्किल डेवलपमेंट के लिए कुछ करती हैं एक्स्ट्रा, बिकॉज सिंस एजुकेशन सिस्टम डजंट प्रोवाइड दैट मच, डू यू डू एनीथिंग to increase their creativity or skills?
Yes, I try to involve her into outdoor activities more instead of just sitting in the classroom and learning. So I feel कि they should go. I travel frequently. I love traveling. So I take my kid along ताकि वो experiences ज़्यादा सीखे. Rather
Talking to different people, we got mixed set of opinions and reactions. And then we met Alveena and her mom. Alveena, a 11-year-old, is an enthusiastic and talented young girl who has already ventured into modeling and product shoots. She's impressively started earning for herself at such a young age. When I asked her about the challenge, she surprisingly agreed with great excitement. Before we start this challenge, can I know something about yourself, like your hobbies, interests? That's the camera.
So, my hobbies, I'm more into cricket and I'm a pro at art, elementary and realistic paintings.
Wow. Have you ever tried making money out of these hobbies, interests, ever?
Yeah, I'm more I've earned money from product shooting of Scoodle Play.
Can I know how old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Wow, that's great, guys. So are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna explain the challenge once again to you. You're gonna have 2 hours and you have to make money by anything you wanna do, okay? Anything, use your skill, your interest, any creativity skills, okay? Should we start this?
Yes.
Are we ready? Just do a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
A little.
Okay. Do you have any plan?
No, we'll just go random.
Perfect. So guys, it's 3:27. We're gonna start the challenge now. Alveena has time till 5:27, okay? So your time starts now. Let's go.
Okay, so there's this guy right behind us and I'm going to approach him and ask him if I'm up to the mark. I'm here to earn money, and is there any way that I can help you in? This is Raj and he's given me a task to go to people and ask them to scan this QR code, and if they do, they can win a big surprise. Hey, excuse me, I'm Alveena. If you scan this QR code, you can win a surprise free box from over there, from in orbit. Thank you. Life sucks.
Life sucks.
Up for 30 to 40 minutes, and let's see what Raju gives me. I've done the work.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
So you want your gift?
Yeah.
Take it.
Thank you.
We're doing a challenge and I couldn't find Alvina.
Let's look for her.
So Alvina, what were you exactly doing inside?
I started earning, so I thought I could get it to some use.
Save it until you make it, okay?
True.
Now run!
Hi, excuse me. Can I take your group photo?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, so it's been an hour and I've managed to earn 220. Let's hope more. Okay guys, I have the best plan. We are gonna get burgers for 50 and then we are going to sell them for 100. Let's do it. Hi, I'm currently in a challenge.
Yeah.
Can you please get this burger? It's fresh, just for 100.
100.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Excuse me. Hi, I'm Alvina. I have 10 minutes, hardly, and I'm competing in a challenge. Can you get these hot fresh burgers, please, just for 100?
What should I do?
Can you buy these burgers? They're fresh, just for 100.
For 100 rupees? Fine, I'll buy it. I'm very hungry though.
Thank you.
मेरे पास पैसे अरे है मेरे पास.
So guys, 2 hours are up and we have Alvina with us. So let's ask her how much did she manage to earn in the last 2 hours?
I earned 420.
What? Just show the camera. She actually managed to earn 420 rupees on her own in just 2 hours. So, did you like the challenge, Alvina?
I loved it.
Oh, really? Was it exciting enough?
Very.
Okay, just tell me the best part about the challenge that you felt.
Okay, so it was when I was selling the burgers. Most of the people rejected us, but then again I had so much fun, and half of the time I've been wanting to eat the burgers.
Okay, honest response, guys. So, will you ever use these skills to earn money in near future?
Yeah, so whenever I do, I'll use these.
Oh, perfect. She's smart. She'll take this money as an investment and then she's gonna earn. So guys, this was Alvina, a 12-year-old who managed to earn money on her own, and this is your sign to know that you can start earning at any age. So Alvina, will you repeat after me?
Yeah.
There's no age for innovation. So start young and
There's no age limit for innovation, so start young
dream big.
and dream big.
I hope you guys like the video, and if you want to be the part of this challenge, just comment us, and also you'll get a chance to be featured in our show Skill Titans. So don't forget to like it. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye, tada.